Let's learn how to solve the post unavailable. This post is age protected on TikTok. If you are facing this issue where you can't see certain posts, and you get this message that the post is age restricted, then follow the simple tutorial and let's resolve the issue. And before we start, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. The very first step is to take a screenshot of this message. We will need it for later. Then close the TikTok app. Then open it and click on the little profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see a Report a Problem button. So click it. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see a Submit a Report button. Now, we need to send a report to the TikTok team. You need to explain to them what your problem is. Tell them that you are above the age criteria for TikTok and ask them to resolve your issue. And click on the little picture button right here, and then choose the screenshot of the message that we took earlier in this video. And now, you just need to submit a report to them, and they will respond to you within 24 to 48 hours and solve your issue. That is how you can fix this problem on TikTok.